Even a new user can follow this guide. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. All links are in the description. For simplicity, this guide is done on a fresh install of Windows 11, but you can follow it on your computer with any apps installed. Make sure to follow the steps in this order to avoid any issues. First, turn on your computer and log in. Then, what you're going to want to do is open the Microsoft Store, which is this icon here. Now we're going to install Visual Studio Code by typing in VS Code in the top and pressing this one, which is free, and pressing the install button. Now that Visual Studio Code has installed, you're going to want to open it. Once it's opened, you're going to want to go to Extensions and then type in Devcontainers and install them. Now you can close Visual Studio. Then, what you're going to want to do is open any browser. It could be Edge, Chrome or Firefox. I'm using Edge because that's what Windows comes with. Now type in Docker Desktop. The link for this will be in the description. And go to this website. Now press the Download for Windows button. Once the exe file has installed, open it. So what you're going to want to do is, if you don't want a shortcut, you can unselect it, but I do, so yeah. And use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V ticked and press OK. Now let it unpack the files. Now press the close and restart button. Your computer will restart. Once your machine is restarted, open the Docker Desktop app. Now accept terms if you accept them, and use recommended settings. Now if you have an account or want to have an account, then you can sign up, but I'm just going to continue without signing in. You can skip the survey, then don't close the window but just hide it. Now open up your browser again and type in GitHub Desktop, or copy and paste the link from the description. Open up the link and download for Windows. Open the GitHub Desktop exe and let it install. Now, if you have an account, you can sign in, but I'm just going to skip. And then you don't need to do this either, just press finish. Now, you can either copy the link from the description or type in N64FlashcartMenu GitHub and press this link. It will be github.com/ I'll butcher this name so I won't say it, N64FlashcartMenu, and you can view the project. Then press this green code button and copy this URL to your clipboard. Now open GitHub Desktop and press clone a repository from the internet. Then press URL, paste in the URL that you just copied and press clone. Now press the Open in Visual Studio Code button. And yes, I trust the authors. And in the bottom left corner, you will see this little blue button. Press that button, and then press the Reopening Containers button. If you get this error, Docker returned an error, make sure Docker daemon is running. Just reopen Docker Desktop as it might have closed. Wait for the Docker engine to start. Now you can retry Reopening Container. Here, if you want to see what's going on, you can press the Show Log button. Now once it's opening, let the program do its thing. It might take a minute, so get a snack and a drink if you want, and if you have time left over, subscribing could massively help out the channel. If you get this pop-up, press yes and don't show again, and then it will continue. When in the terminal it says done, press any key to close the terminal, press any key on your keyboard and it will close. Now what you want to do is press this plus icon, and now you can type in any command you want. So to build it, you're going to want to type in make clean and make all, or you can copy and paste it from the description and press enter and it will start building. Now you have a built menu, and in your output folder you'll have these files. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, like the video if you enjoyed it and it was helpful. Until next time, live a good life.